Have you ever surprised why your sketch is not looking realistic? Have you ever observed the difference between the normal sketch and the realistic sketch? So today in this video I am going to tell you the 8 reasons why your sketch is not looking realistic. So my name is Ashish and you are watching Express Your Color. Reason number 1, that is accurate shape. Normally, while drawing any eye, we simply draw two curves and we skip the corner of the eye, that is called tear duct. We should do a tear duct. And while doing eyeball, we draw completely circle that touches the upper and lower eyelid, but actually not like that. Some part of the eyeball covered by the upper and lower eyelid. Reason number 2, that is shape of the eyeball. The most important point while doing the eyeball. Simply we do two round with the middle one completely black, but this will not make the eye realistic. In real, the human eyes always reflects. So here we need to do some reflection on the eyeball like this, which will make the eye realistic view. That reflection should be in curvature shape, which will make the eyeball to pop out as a round shape like this. Reason number 3, that is iris texture. So normally we do like this, that is some straight lines which will not give the realistic view of the eye. So we can do some different texture of the iris, and here I am giving some examples. You can follow this one. Reason number 4, that is no shadings or keeping white in this particular part. Normally, as we know that this portion of this eye is white, so we keep it as white completely, but it is not like that, which will give a flat view of the eye. So here we need to do some shadings, making the corner side little darker and lighter towards the eyeball, which will give a view of round shape, not flat. Reason number 5, that is outline of the eye. Normally we keep a sharp line for the indication of the edge of the eye, but actually it is not. It is not a sharp edge or sharp line. It is just the difference between the skin color. So we make a slight curved line here and in this upper and lower part, and we can start the shadings following the curved line and blend it smoothly. Reason number 6, that is shadow of the eyelid. One of the most important thing that we don't notice that there is a little shadow fall on the eye due to the eyelid. So here we can make some shadings to make the eyelid shadow. Reason number 7, that is drawing the eyelashes. While drawing, we normally draw the eyelashes touching the upper and lower eyelid line, but we need to draw the eyelashes starting from here, which gives the realistic view. Region number 8, that is sharp outline of the eyeball. It should not be sharp, rather than put some light shade and blend it smoothly, which helps the eyeball as a round shape or pop out.